You know, when you coach with any of the coaches, you do a prep sheet for your coaching session, and you write down stuff that you've accomplished in the time between times of having your meeting with them. And I would always go, oh shit, I haven't accomplished anything. Oh, and the night before, then I'd write, oh, I did this, I did that, I did this, I did that. And Val's like, look at everything you've done. So it's like this disconnect between what is actually happening and where I think I'm supposed to be. Like I'm afraid to live in the present because it's not good enough. I'm not there yet. There's something wrong with me. Blah, blah, blah. And she's like, hey, you did a drop off. You got they called you in. They called your phone directly. I didn't have a theatrical agent, you know? And then they called me in and I did the audition and I booked it.